Hello guys, we're playing some rivals. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, shoes already. So let's see in this match then. 2, 1. Okay. Let's ducks. Please ducks. No. Yes. Yes. Thank you, man. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Only snipe. Okay. Okay, let's see then. How good is this guy? $50? Nice. Nah, this guy's going crazy though. I was gonna say thanks, but I don't care. Okay, let's see. Insane. $50. Oh! Oh shoot. Oh no. He's over there. Okay. Nah! Okay, let's see this guy's pro accuracy. Oh. Okay, let's go here. Bro, this is nice though. Oh. Okay, let's go. 4-4. Sniper only. Insane secrets. We're at 3, 2, 1. Ah! Nah, that's crazy. Bruh. Oh, got clipped. I cooked him. Ah. Oh my god, this guy's actually so nice though. Oh, okay. Okay. He misspelled it, but I don't really care. Okay, it's probably gonna go insane. Right. Let me see them. Like, this is actually like fun hitting trick shots. Insane trick shot in 3, 2, 1. No. Oh no. Go. Take trick shot. Insane trick shot. Okay, this is actually gonna be an insane trick shot. I'm just kidding. No. I hit him. Bruh. Nah, he's medkitting. He should be dead right now, but he's using medkit. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh! Bro, why is this guy always saying nice? Like, it's okay the first 2 rounds, but 5? It's kind of insane. Okay. Oh! GG. Okay, bros, literally thought I'm using aimbot now. Okay, bro. He literally thinks I'm using aimbot. Nah. Oh my god. Our rage baiting so hot. Oh, what? Yeah, I'm hacking into the code real quick. Yep.